Good morning, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Commerce Section, Class 12, Subject Business Studies, Chapter 7, Directing. After staffing, directing is the most important function of management. In this chapter, we already learned about directing, the process and its features, and as we study that directing has 4 elements: supervision, motivation, communication and leadership. Before this video, we described the supervision as an element of directing, and also became to know that what is the role of supervision towards achieving goal, desired goal under management, and how directing is a part, supervision is a part of directing, and actually directing is the integrated force of supervision, motivation, leadership and communication, and in which the supervision, it means that supervise the function or activities of subordinates within a organization, and that is the very important function. Now in this video we are going to describe the second element, that is motivation. Motivation is the most important element of directing, and without motivation there were no directing is possible, because motivation is the prime, essential and initial need to perform a task. Without motivation, no one can perform any teeny task even. So motivation is the prime need, essential and initial need of directing, and only through motivation we can able to get desired work, desired action from our subordinates. So motivation means incitement or inducement to act or move towards a certain goal, towards desired goal. Motivation means incitement or inducement to act or move towards a certain goal. It means the process of making subordinates to act in a desired manner to achieve certain organizational goals. Motivation का मतलब होता है कि हम अपने, it is a process actually in which we going to motivate our subordinates in at that level that they can act according to our desired manner to achieve a certain goals, and that is motivation. The prime objective of motivation to motivate subordinates towards certain activities, towards certain goals, and that is motivation. To understand the concept of motivation, 2 more terms need to be understood. देखिए, मोटिवेशन के टर्म्स को समझने के लिए हमको 2 टर्म्स को समझना है, दैट इज मोटिव एंड मोटिवेटर. मोटिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव भी आप कह सकते हैं इसको. मोटिव क्या होता है कि मोटिव, इट इज एन इनर स्टेट that activate and energize behavior towards goals. Motivate means a acceleration in your body, an acceleration in your body towards do something, to do certain behavior that you can achieve that goal. It is an inner state. ये एक आंतरिक स्थिति होती है जिसमें कोई व्यक्ति, अगर हम मोटे शब्दों में कहें तो मोटिव, व्हेन देयर इज अ मोटिव विथ एनी पर्सन, देन दैट पर्सन बिकेम रेस्टलेस, बेचैन हो जाता है वो, और द होल एक्टिविटीज एंड बिहेवियर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन मूव्स टुवर्ड्स दैट मोटिव, एंड दैट वर कॉल्ड inner state that activates and energizes behavior towards goal. It means कि आप दिन रात उस लक्ष्य के, उस मोटिव, उद्देश्य के बारे में सोचते हो, उसके अनुसार व्यवहार करने लगते हो, You need that motive at any cost, and due to this you change your overall behavior and activities towards that goal. दूसरा है motivator. Motive may be with everyone. There are any motive. We all are with motives in this life, but it is not necessary that everyone going to be motivated towards that goal, because there is need of a motivator who induce you, who excite you towards that motive, and that person were called motivator. It is the technique used to motivate people in the organization such as pay, bonus, recognition, etc. ये मोटिवेटर या तो कोई व्यक्ति भी हो सकता है या कुछ उपाय हो सकते हैं. जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में फाइनेंशियल एंड नॉन फाइनेंशियल incentives होते हैं towards motivate their own employees and subordinates. So sometime we fix the promotion, high enhanced salary and bonus towards motivate our students, motivates our subordinates towards a certain goal. So that is motivator. Motivator can be an incentive or maybe a physical person which can motivate us towards certain goal. Thus, motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. अतः motivation जो है वो इसका मतलब है कि ये एक प्रक्रिया है जिसमें हम लोगों को डिपेक्ट करते हैं, स्टिमुलेट करते हैं टू एक्शन टू accomplish desired goal. किसी निश्चित इच्छित लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति के लिए हम उसको स्टिमुलेट करते हैं. दैट इज प्रोसेस ऑफ मोटिवेशन. फीचर्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन. मोटिवेशन इज अ साइकोलॉजिकल फेनोमेनन. मोटिवेशन is totally a psychological phenomenon. Who, when and why motivate it cannot be stated. कौन, कब, कैसे और किस लिए मोटिवेट हो जाएगा इसको कहना मुश्किल है, बिकॉज इट इज अ टोटली साइकोलॉजिकल फेनोमेनन. ये पूरी तरह से एक मनोवैज्ञानिक परिघटना है. और हमने इतिहास में भी देखा है कि लोग कब, कैसे और किसी चीज के लिए मोटिवेट हुए हैं, और जब वेन एवर दे मोटिवेट दे एक्ट, उन्होंने जो काम किया है वो बहुत बेहतर काम किया है और इतिहास में वो उदाहरण बने हैं. सेकंड, गोल डायरेक्टेड बिहेवियर. मोटिवेटेड पर्सन्स एक्टिविटी एंड बिहेवियर, ऑल एक्टिविटी एंड बिहेवियर ओनली टुवर्ड्स अचीविंग गोल और डिजायर्ड गोल. तो उसके पूरे एक्टिविटी और बिहेवियर जो होते हैं वो गोल ओरिएंटेड हो जाते हैं, गोल डायरेक्टेड हो जाते हैं. तीसरा है, मोटिवेशन में भी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. It is not necessary that motivation always be positive. It may be a negative side also, and sometimes some people get motivated for negative things also. So motivation has not only positive direction. It may be some negative direction also. And fourth, motivation is a complex process. You can't analyze, you can't state the way by which we can motivate our subordinates or people, because it is totally a psychological concept, whether it is a inner state psychological phenomenon, whether and at that same time a motivator also need. So it is going to be affected by outer elements or inner elements. It cannot be stated surely. So it is a complex process. Motivation is a complex process. So motivation, in next video we are going to describe the other things regarding motivation, like HD of motivation or need theory. Motivation is the most important element of directing, and motivation is important because in several year board examination the question were asked from this topic, and you all need to be remembered it and also make notes in your homework or notebook. Till then, take care, stay home, safe home.